Starting my motorbike this morning to take my daughter to school, I smelled the fuel somewhere. The fuel in my motorbike leaks. Luckily, there is a motorbike mechanic working on the pavement. He dismantles the needed parts. He's nagging that it's difficult to dismantle these plastic parts. And we realized the fuel pipe was bitten by a mouse. I really never think about this. He replaces it by a new one. This new one is covered by metal, so I hope that it's not going to be bitten by mouse anymore. Then he assembles all again. My motorbike is refueled and it runs well again without fuel smell.